Right, the AC high side changing is starting. We're gonna put pack 46 dye in here. I didn't really exactly read these numbers to see if it's pack 46, but it should be close enough. And so I dipped it in there so that O-ring, that black O-ring, is going to be moist for much longer than without me dipping it in there. So here we go. Let's just take a look in there before I do anything. Looks good. So now, so you want to go backwards first, so that all the when your threads line up, you hear a click when you go backwards. Click, that means you're passing your spot. Okay, now you go forward once you pass it. So you're gently coming in without cross threading. And that's it. And hope for the best. Now I'm gonna put the dye into this bottle here, and I'm gonna suck in about 1 or 2 ounces, and then this pack 46 plus UV dye, synthetic premium. It's probably like $20 or something for this bottle, or more. But of course, when you go to the shop, each one of these things, they're gonna charge you for it. New valve, new this, probably charge you like $15, $20 for that oil, another $15, $20 for the valve, another $80 for the gas, and their time, you'll probably be out at $150 to $200, $250 to charge it. But at home, you don't charge that. That's how it works.